What's up, guys? Just in case you're new to the channel, I'm Gone in 60. I have another install video for you today. It's just a quick one on the tailgate lettering for the Maverick. Let me know what you think. It came out pretty good. I'm pretty pleased with it. Once again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Alright, so my awesome parts guys at work today let me know that my tailgate lettering was in for the Maverick. I ordered it through the Ford accessories site, strictly for the Maverick. This is what they look like. And so they have a protective covering. The white is, they're not white, they're actually black. They're called, I believe, black platinum. They also came in like a polished aluminum, which kind of looked like chrome. I wanted the black, so it actually almost looks like a black chrome. It's real nice looking. But these are metal. They are not the actual vinyl. I didn't see any vinyl out. There may be some out right now, but I was a bit impatient, so I probably could have picked up the vinyl ones for about 29 bucks. These were 99 on the Ford website, so you know, if you want to wait for the vinyl, the installation's a little bit trickier, not super hard or anything, but these should be a lot easier to install. And what you did not see behind the scenes is I have already cleaned these letters with alcohol. Actually, I was going to use alcohol. You can use any lint-free towel, such as a microfiber or something like that. With this COVID stuff going around, I had a bunch of actual alcohol wipes lying around, so that's what I use. So these have already been pre-cleaned to get any oil or any contamination, anything like that, away. Also, the instructions say tools required or rubbing alcohol and a clean towel. I'm going to add a third deal, and it's going to be a spray bottle full of soapy water. I've looked at different soap to water ratios, and usually it says three drops of dishwashing liquid to a liter of water. I kind of made my own ratio right here, and I am not going to risk doing a dry install. I'm gonna spray it, position the letters correctly, and then kind of squeegee the water out and let them dry. So here's the letter after the protective covering was removed, and this is the other side of it. It is 3M, as you can see, so it's going to be some high quality adhesive. Some of it looked like it's a little worn, but you know, hey, it is what it is. Let's see how this install goes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install the first two letters so you can see how I position it, and then after that I'm going to go ahead and hit the high speed so that we can get this video over with real quick and show you the end result. So I'm going to remove the backing off of it, and also I have cleaned my fingers with alcohol to keep any oils away from this adhesive if I need to touch it, but hopefully I won't. And I'm going to show you I'm just going to wet the surface where I need to stick it, and if I need to reposition it, it'll be easier to move around. Okay, so the M didn't exactly, move around like I wanted it to. I wanted to reposition it a little bit. If you look really closely, it's it's not exactly centered. From far away, it's fine. So what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to spray the surface, but I'm also going to spray the adhesive on the back of the letter. and that one a lot better. So, through the magic of time lapse, let's go ahead and get this job finished. And here's the completed job. Looks pretty good. I'm going to clean the letters up with a little bit of alcohol because they have fingerprints on them, but I like this black platinum finish. It's actually like I said earlier, it's almost like a black chrome. Um, but I'm really pleased with these letters. And once again, they're from Ford. You order it off of Ford Accessories. And here is the part number. I've also installed these on the 2019 F-150 that we have. There is a video on that, which I also have matching fender emblems that say Eco Beast instead of Eco Boost.